Hey there everyone, it is Addictinator 0.1 here, and today I'm going to be playing a new game. I've just downloaded it, and it is called Hill Climb Racing. So yeah, if this game loads, I'm sure we're going to have a lot of fun with it. Why is the music playing if the app is shut down? That's weird. Anyway, so we'll just wait for it to load for a while. Probably going to take a while. My brother, don't forget to subscribe to Chompzilla Boss 123, is it?
Chompzilla Boss 123.
Yeah, don't forget to subscribe to his channel. And you'd also be doing me a big favor if you also subscribe to my channel. Okay? So yeah, if you want to do that, then go ahead. Okay, so let's do it. Don't have any money, so I can't upgrade any of it. Gas. This is funny. A cute little game. So yeah, I'm not sure if this is all you do. You can unlock cool new cars. You can unlock new places, I believe. Because I saw all those on the. No, if I failed, I think so. Yeah, I did. Drive it down. Get reward. Okay, touch to continue. Okay, what should I think I'm going to upgrade my suspension and my engine. Let's have a look what stages we can unlock. 50,000. It's actually quite a lot to unlock. Oh, multiplayer. Let's have a go at this. Oh, it opens me to Google. I don't trust it. Come on. Guess the Jeep is the only thing I can use for now. And off we go. Level 2, reach 400 meters. Should be easy. Enough. Oh yes, flip! I survived! I can't actually believe I survived that. I genuinely can't. Come on, move! Move, stupid car! Flip! Good job, car. You did it. Did it, man. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Damn it. Yeah, I did. Okay, let's have a look. Should we do it again? Yeah, let's have another go. See if we can do it time. Reach 400 meters. Come on, we can do this. Come on, random guy. We can do this. I'm just gonna call you. He looks like a Bob. Oh, sorry guys. I don't really like this game. Just have to end off the video here. So yeah, if you did enjoy, please leave a like, a comment, and a subscription to my channel. Comment telling me which game you want to see me play next. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed. See you in the next video.